This video was generated using AI. Let's watch it, then I'll share with you the AI software that produced this video.
Waking up with neck pain was my daily struggle. Sound familiar? But this new year, I discovered the Elegear cervical pillow, a truly life-changing gift. Its unique butterfly ergonomic design immediately caught my eye. Now, I wake up refreshed, pain-free, and ready for the day. Why continue to suffer when you can enjoy better sleep? In the new year, give yourself a gift of health, making every morning full of vitality. Get your Elegear cervical pillow now and bring comfort and care to yourself and your loved ones.
As you can see, it's a nice product video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you a quick review of JoggAI, an AI software that can help you generate product videos and also presentation in just a click. You will also make your own avatar such that your customers may think it's you, but it's an AI. So make sure that you watch this video till the end, and I will also leave a link in the description for you to open a free account with JoggAI. So let's dive into my laptop so that I can share with you all that you need to know about JoggAI and how to utilize this AI tool. This is the JoggAI homepage. Let me take you through it so that you can understand what this AI can do for you. So AI video generator with lifelike AI avatar. So you can easily create stunning videos with engaging AI avatars. Automate video creation with maximum creativity using JoggAI. So these are some of the examples of the videos you can use and templates. And let's now see what you can do with this AI. So you can create your own photo avatar. You see custom avatar and have ready to use avatars. So you can see the similarity. You can't even tell if the other one is AI generated. So some of the key features of this JoggAI include URL to video. So you can quickly turn a URL of your product, maybe a product on Amazon, eBay, or Shopify, and then generate a product video that you can use to showcase either on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So we also have talking avatar video. This one is used to create presentation on educational video, and you can create up to 15 minutes speech video for education and presentation. We also have AI script generator, and by understanding textual description, images, and video content, JoggAI gains a thorough understanding of objects. This enhances its ability to create compelling narrative in various styles. So I'll leave a link for you to create a free account in description, because you can create a free account and use it. And also the pricing is very fair. So another one is scale your content creation with Patch. Simplify your videos, ad generation at scale with JoggAI Patch mode. In just minutes, generate a range of custom videos. So you can generate a range of videos that aligns with the content that you want to create. Also, all-purpose templates. So they have a good number of templates ranging from home and kitchen, clothing, beauty, electronics, sports, softwares, game, and many more. So, and also there is exceptional video editing experience. It also have a video editor, so you can easily edit your videos, and it is much simpler. And also optimize video layout, replace asset effortless. So you can always change the layout of your videos. So, and lastly, we have AI powered video understanding. JoggAI automatically understands, selects, and edits your video clips with its multimodal capability. So let's now see some of the user cases. This is best for marketers, content creators, people in real estate, e-commerce, advertisers, and there are tons of templates here. And let's check out the pricing. So this is the best AI I've ever found because the pricing is just fair. Imagine $15 per month, and also it comes with a free account, so you can test the free account and then move to the other account from starter, creator, teen, and enterprise. So you see it's fair, and even if you pay it monthly, at least it's just $19 per month, which will not break your bank. $49. So but I'll encourage you to pilot yearly so that you can save some amount. Now let's check out the account. So you will click the link in description to create your own account, and this is the home page of the account. So here you can enter the product URL, your Amazon product URL, or the product you want to promote either on TikTok, and you'll have access to these templates that you can try: text to avatar, custom, text to avatar, video, and patch modes. So in terms of templates, we have the promo templates or the short form content templates. Like the video I shared with you, I was using these templates. So we also have long video templates, especially for courses, local business, social media service, and business and health. So these are the long form templates that you can use in your landing page for your course or anything that you are promoting. You see, from tech, any type of course or niche that you are focusing in, furniture, home and decor softwares, everything is here. And templates, we have it here. You will just click on templates and it will bring you to create templates. You can also create your own template here. Also avatars. You can create your own avatar, photo avatar, and also video avatar. And we have a library of avatars that you can use, you see, so you are not limited. And also the layout you can customize. When you have projects, you will just click on projects and you can access the videos that you have already created, or draft where you will get that one which you have not completed. And also products is where you will upload your products that you will use. So that's basically how the JoggAI works. It's super simple, and if you want to get started, you can check out the link in description. So guys, if you are interested in this, it's available for free through the link in description. And make sure that you like this video and also subscribe to this channel, because I'm looking for AI products that can help content creators and digital marketers easily make content online and make money. So subscribe and also keep checking my channel for more videos on AI.